We're going to
Great.
again look for 8 autographed or memorabilia cards, including 1 booklet card in every box. Find on card booklets for the first time in National Treasures Baseball. They're looking out for your interests. You know, they're trying to up the game, and they know you want on card. I want on card. We all want on card. It's in here. Hunt for the incredible 101 dual cut signature booklet of Babe Ruth and Lou Gehrig. Find a 7-card set focusing on nicknames, moments, and accomplishments from Mickey Mantle's illustrious career in a dedicated tribute set. Rookie material signatures, the rookie card to collect every year, is back and full of top, current, and future stars. Top rookies paired with player-specific custom die cuts in rookie jersey signatures. The always popular bat barrels. New this year, look for college rookie material signatures from a select group of rookies in their college uniforms and paired with jumbo collegiate material, and not just anybody. We're talking guys like Aaron Judge, Dansby Swanson, Benintendi, Ian Happ, Hunter Renfroe, Alex Bregman. How about rookie signature jumbo material booklets? Again, first time on card autographs. Material Inc., one of the several on card sets. This one features top stars, feature stars, and legends, as well as, I think Ivan might be interested in this one, Chicago World Champions tribute signatures. After a 100-year wait, a dramatic Game 7 comeback win in extra innings, down 3-1. The Cubs deserve a tribute set to commemorate this accomplishment, highlighted by signature cards of General Manager Theo Epstein. All right.
I'd love to hit one of those. I think that would be awesome. So the Panini America the National Treasures. What am I even saying?
You're just all.
Tweet. I mean, seriously. So the thing that I said that you missed because I hit mute right after the first hit was after the third hit. I'm like, I had to go back to the sell sheet on GoGTS.net to see, is every card numbered to 5 or less? That was an insane, absolutely insane box.
All right. Wow. We set the bar pretty high on that first National Treasures box. It's like not even fair. There it is. Such classy packaging.
We've got people sending up prayers to God for some of the cards in this box. I love it. All right. National Treasures. Oh, that's National. I got to get the National Treasures baseball sheet up here so that I can follow along.
All right. Here we go. First up, numbered 14 out of 15, a patch of Trey Turner. Next up, numbered to 99, a jersey swatch of Manny Machado. Oh, man, nice. National Treasures greatness. Vintage game used material numbered to 99 of the one and only Elston Howard.
Wow. Can you get that a little closer to the camera? It'll have to be slanted a little bit down because of the angle, because the top is getting cut off. It's really far back.
There you go.
Hold on. Hold that again.
I'm still holding it.
I know. Okay, cool.
We have a sick patch numbered to 49. Not just a patch auto of Mitch Haniger.
Hey, very cool. You know, Mitch actually sent some stuff to Signatures for Soldiers, one of our favorite collecting and veteran supporting
eBay 101, 15 of 15 patch auto of Dustin Pedroia.
Very cool. Rob, is there any way to tilt your camera up just a little bit? I don't know if I got knocked or what, but I'm getting like not able to get full. There we go. That's beautiful.
Hold on a second.
That's beautiful. So now you can actually stand the card up.
Hold on a
If you can
second.
Get the camera
Hold
angle like that. I know. I never get to be director, so it's kind of fun. So I'm just.
Yeah, it doesn't. Hold on a second here, because I can't. I don't want to put the glare of the computer screen.
Yeah, I know. We got 4 more cards to go. It's fine. A little glare. We can deal with glare.
There you go.
All right. All right. I knew that was coming in my headset.
Next up, we have a 6-swatch on-card autograph of former Cub pitcher Mark Pryor. Number 249.
Am I a bad fan for not loving that card?
Yeah.
I was
Next up, we've got
yeah.
a jumbo patch auto number 49 of Ian Happ.
Yes, now we're talking. There's a Cub I love. Hap happens.
And our booklet card number 99. Legend Gary Carter.
Ooh.
Is a dual swatch.
Wow. Now that's one of the the really fun things about this product is something like that where may not be a huge boom. What a really fun, unique collector piece.
Oh,
that
absolutely.
Is, bat and jersey.
All right, so we will give this one away. We will give the Hap away. We will give the Pryor away. We will give the Pedroia away. We will give the Hanninger away. We will give the Howard away. Trey Turner and Manny Machado, they're going to go. They're going to go into
fun.
prize packs.